Hey guys, I'm Bree, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a bed in Minecraft. So to make a bed, you need some wooden planks and wool. And the way you get wool is from sheep, and you can either kill sheep or you can shear sheep. Using shears, you can get more wool off of a sheep, but killing them is faster, especially if you have just spawned in and it's approaching nighttime and you need to make a bed fast. Go find a sheep, and as you can see, they only dropped one white wool. For a bed, we actually need three. So we need two more sheep, and you can either, again, kill the sheep or use shears. We have two pieces of iron right here. So you're going to take the iron, and I already made a furnace. You'll have to make a furnace so that you can smelt it. And we have some coal, and here we'll put the iron. And we're gonna make some shears. We take the iron ingots, and now what we need to do is open our crafting table and make some shears. And now what you're gonna want to do is go over to sheep. So we're just gonna walk over to it, and all you have to do is right click. And then what you need next is some wood. Open our crafting table. We're gonna put the wood in. Now we have some wooden planks. Put three planks across there and then three wool across here. And you will get a bed. And all you have to do is place the bed down and right click, and it will set your respawn point. So when you die, you'll spawn back on this bed. And when it's nighttime, you'll be able to sleep through the night. They also have to be the same color. It has to be the same color wool. So yeah, shearing sheep will definitely give you better results. That is how you can make a bed in Minecraft. I hope that this video is helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!